So I think we have started now. Yeah, we are live now. So hey, I built an AI news aggregator. So this AI news aggregator, it is an intelligent system that automatically fetches, summarize, and personalize the uh, AI news for you. So let me show you what it does and and how it works. Okay, so I have run the front end and the backend, both APIs. Sorry, both both system. So the here the concept. So this app fetches the AI related news from the RSS feeds, blogs, and YouTube channels. Then it then it then it uses the OpenAI to intelligently summarize, title, and categorize the each articles. So everything gets the stored in the PostgreSQL, and the user receives personalized email and digest based on their interest. So let me show you the code. So this is the base class that I have created. There is some of the function that is currently used like sanitize, ensure, all this kind of. There is a function mm, block feature. So sorry, there is one class. Inside this class, I have created the multiple function from here. So this class is used to fetch the related news from the RSS feeds like OpenAI RSS URL and the and the anthropic based RSS feed URL, all this kind of RSS that I passed. So this is the model I have created with the help of Python. This there is the this video feature class. So in this class, I create the multiple function. So the main purpose of this YouTube feature is to is the is the latest news based on their based on the past channel ID. So the simply I get the one function. This is scrap channel ID. Sorry, scrap channel. So uh, so in this channel I pass the channel ID and then I get the multiple function. So in this function I pass channel ID and fetch the latest video, and then I generate the transcript of those video and then I store into the PostgreSQL. I do I mean, same for the like a blog, web, and the this YouTube video. So the backend is completely built on the Python FastAPI, which give me us clean REST API with automatic documentation, and the front end is the React app using Vite and the scheduling. So that's handled by the AppScheduler. So let me show you. This is the folder inside this. I create the task. Inside this, I have created the cron job, cron job with trigger in the specific timeout. I pass the hour like 8 hour, 24 hour. So yeah, this will trigger the function. Inside this function, it fetches the data, and then he simply add those data. It means add those news into the this PostgreSQL, and then it feeds the all the news one by one, and and the and the send those news items like title, summary, URL, category, source, news type, everything to the uh, user's email. So here a function. This is the send new digest. Here I pass some of the like news article, all this kind of length to the words and the same time everything I pass. and then I pass to the one template, and this templates will automatically ingest dot those data in the templates, and then I send to the user one by one. So as you can see on the front end, I have used Python Fast API. I have I have I have I have created the multiple APIs like source, routes, health, and there is another APIs. Let me show you. This authoritative API that I have been used in the front end to integrate like this register, login, me, and the subscriptions. So I have used FastAPI for creating the STP and this SQLAlchemy. Let me show the which this is the API functions. Storage. Let me show you storage. Video storage. Yeah. So I have used the SQLAlchemy for the database ORM with clean repository pattern, and I have used OpenAI APIs for the intelligent content analysis. Let me show you the code. This is a function typically inside this content analyzer. So this is the code. I have used Langchain OpenAI. So where I passed some of the system prompts, and there's some title and the content from the news article along with the format instruction. So all these I pass to the OpenAI models, and in this OpenAI models give me the three things as a title, summary, and the category based on the there are news and the title. Okay. So I mean key feature about this project is that it has the like a user account, smart content ingestion, automated summarize, personalized digest, and this project has the easy setup. So yeah, these are the so check out the GitHub repo for the full code and the this detailed documentation. So let me show you the front end. This is the front end from the where user creates the like a name, email, and the password. So let me try to this is the Gmail already registered. Okay, I have already registered. Let me try to log in. As you can see that this is the latest news that I will paste. So this one is the YouTube videos. So it's a fake like this is the YouTube video, and here the option to unscribe the email directions. So if I click, I can scribe them against the option. Logout also you can do. So yeah, front end is completely built by the React using Vite, and the backend is the Python fast API. Okay. Oh yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you.